soul. You're the good in all.
Morning, Burgos! Today is our second day here in Libtong, Burgos. At ang mga kasama ko, kamusta ang tulog, guys?
Okay naman, enjoy namin. We're alive!
Okay, we're alive. Actually guys, maaga kaming natulog kagabi kasi maaga rin kaming pupunta sa Asaray Falls. Dito pa rin yan sa Burgos. Ate, may tanong ako sa'yo. Okay. Pwede ba banggitin mo muna yung 10 times yung father? Mabilis.
Father, 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 father,
Mas mabilis pa, 5.
father, 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 father.
Ano sa Tagalog ang ano sa English ang pakpak? Okay, wings, tama. O, akala ko feather ang isasagot mo eh. May false hugot ka ba dyan?
Huwag kang mapapol sa taong pakol.
Oh, aray. Oh, yan.
Asaray!
Tandaan niyo yan. Asaray Falls.
Let's
Andyan
go!
na kami. Siyempre, before kami punta ng Asaray Falls, siyempre may pangmalakasang breakfast. Yun na. Hotdog at itlog. Ate, may hugot hotdog ka ba dyan?
Huwag mo ko susubo ng buo ang halik na
Paano ba sumubo, ate? Ayun na, wag daw isusubo ng buo ang hotdog.
Made alive, now I'm by your side. I've come alive, I've come alive. I'm made alive, now I'm by your side. I've come alive, I've come alive. When my days are done, I got a hope that I'm sure of. I'll be with you in heavenly places. I'll be with you in heavenly places. I'll be.
Siyempre, after 30 minutes kung naglakad, andito na kami sa Asaray Falls.
Finally!
Ayun ang Asaray Falls. Andito na pala tayo sa Sablan. Benguet. Ayan. Siyempre, depende pa rin sa energy mo gaano ka katagal maglakad. Pero sila, inabot sila ng 2 hours.
Pero worth it naman.
Worth it ang falls. Ayun ang falls. Yan, tatanong kami dyan mamaya. Ang ganda. Sobra. Ayun yung mga kasama namin sa taas. Dito. Check natin sila. Ito na guys ang aming ulam. Wow, ang sarap. Native naman oh.
In the morning when my heart is cold, you're the heat for my weary soul. You're the good in all I know. In the mirror all that.
Actually guys, sa Asaray Falls, dalawa ang falls nila. Ito ang mini falls. Ayan, maliit lang siya. Nasa baba yung malaki yung welcome to Asaray Falls. Ayan. Sablan din din.
Comes alive. Everything comes alive. Everything comes alive. Everything comes alive. And you. In the evening when my bones are tired, you're my strength and my heart's desire. You're the light when the sun expires. I remember how far I've come. I'm not lost with you, I'm home. I didn't find you on my own. You're the song rising from my heart. Everything comes alive.